Elephants used in religious rituals may soon be replaced by robots. In the Indian state of Kerala, machines are performing rituals traditionally involving animals in captivity. Just like a real elephant, the robot flaps its ears, moves its tail, and sprays water through its trunk. The mechanical animal is 11 feet tall, weighs 800 kilograms, and can carry a person on its back. Donated to Irinjapalli Shri Krishna Temple by PETA India, the initiative aims to tackle the issue of animal abuse in religious rites. Used for ceremonies, elephants are subjected to physical and psychological stress, and exposure to flashing lights, loud noises, and crowds during festivities can cause uncontrollable reactions in the animals, often resulting in human casualties. Asian elephants, which are an endangered species, are an important part of Indian culture. In ancient times, elephants played a crucial role in warfare, serving as a force on the battlefield and a symbol of power. Armies that possessed a large number of elephants were perceived as stronger and more intimidating. War elephants were widely used across different regions and dynasties for thousands of years. Beyond their role in warfare, elephants have also long held deep cultural and religious significance. In Hinduism, they are considered sacred due to their association with Lord Ganesh, a Hindu god with an elephant head who represents wisdom, new beginnings, and the removal of obstacles. And here comes the paradox. Because they are worshipped, the wild animals are captured to perform in religious rituals, but their taming cannot be done without physical abuse and sedation, so the holy animal ends up imprisoned and harmed. Currently, there are around 2,700 captive elephants in India, and the country's Center for Research on Animal Rights recently alerted Kerala's chief minister about an alarming increase of mortality rates in elephants held in captivity, citing that 138 animals have died between 2018 and 2023.